Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 99, Conditional Formatting Using a Logical Expression. This is awesome. I have here a very basic model where I have some income statement line items and then I have an allocation type. Okay? And based off of the income statement line that I insert here, I want to be able to, kind of constrain my input as to what is acceptable and what is not acceptable to enter into this line of business. Okay, so I know kind of the logic of the model and what I'm trying to do, and so I create this Boolean string, and it's kind of an if statement, but it's really just going out and saying if certain criteria are met, then go ahead and give me a flag that tells me that something's incorrect. Okay, and when something's incorrect, it gives me an alert of 1. And what I want to do is I actually want to kind of color some things. And I want to highlight the entire row, say red, so that I know immediately if I've entered in a combination here that is not correct. So how do I do this? I've created this alert. What I want to do is I want to copy this formula that I've created here. And I want to go out and I want to highlight, say, my line of business, because that's kind of the last lever that I'm inserting anything in. And I go to conditional format and I go logical expression. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to paste in the formula that I have in the alerts column. Okay? And then I'm going to change my format up here on this, and I'm going to make it, obvious. So I'm going to make it red. I'm going to click OK. And once I do that, you can see that wherever my alerts are equal to 1, it changes it to red. But once I have the correct kind of combination going on, the red disappears. And that's all using this expression. So what I can do is, instead of having another column maybe in my data set, if I don't want to do that, of course I could hide it. Let's say I don't want that, I just want to have it deleted. I can even go down here and I can delete this. And still, if I go back up to total company, it gives me an error. And if I go down here, it gets rid of it. That's exactly what I want it to do. So again, conditional formatting, go ahead and throw in a logical expression. Just write a formula just like you would down here, and it works really beautifully. Anyway, that's how you do some conditional formatting using a logical expression in Quantrix. I hope you find that useful. I absolutely love Quantrix. It makes my day every day because I get to use this tool. If you have any questions about Quantrix, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I hope that you'll continue to follow me here on YouTube and follow me at Twitter. And I want to make you a Quantrix master, so please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.